Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a high-yielding stock to boost your passive income in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about my top pipeline stock pick for the year, MPLX, MPLX. This company is a financial powerhouse, offering a 7.5% dividend yield and consistent growth. Stick around to find out why this stock should be on your radar. And if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's start with the big picture. Pipeline companies operate in the midstream energy sector, which means they transport natural gas, crude oil, and refined products through regulated and long-term contracts. That makes them incredibly stable, even when oil and gas prices fluctuate. So why is MPLX my top pick? Let's dive into the numbers. MPLX currently offers an impressive 7.5% dividend yield. That's way higher than the S&P 500's average yield of just 1.2%. But here's the best part. That dividend is well supported by strong cash flow. In the first 9 months of last year, MPLX generated $4.3 billion in cash flow while paying $2.6 billion in distributions. That means their dividend coverage ratio is a solid 1.6 times, a key indicator that payouts are sustainable. And let's talk about financial strength. MPLX has $2.4 billion in cash and a low leverage ratio of 3.4x, way below the industry average of 4.0x. This kind of financial flexibility means MPLX can continue growing and rewarding shareholders without taking on excessive risk. A high yield is great, but what's even better? Dividend growth. MPLX has increased its distribution every year since 2012. Just in the last 3 years, it has grown at a 10.7% compound annual rate, with a 12.5% increase last year. That means MPLX isn't just paying dividends, it's raising them consistently. And that's what we love to see in a long-term passive income stock. So, how does MPLX keep growing? They're expanding their infrastructure in a big way. Here are a few of their major projects. White Heavy checkmark new natural gas processing plants. 2 completed last year, 2 more coming in 2025 and 2026. White Heavy checkmark BNGL pipeline expansion, increasing natural gas liquids capacity by early 2025. White Heavy checkmark Blackham and Rio Bravo pipelines, bringing more natural gas from the Permian Basin to the Gulf Coast by 2026. These projects will boost MPLX's cash flow, allowing for even more dividend increases in the future. MPLX is also expanding through smart acquisitions. In 2024, they acquired a $625 million dry gas gathering system, increased their BNGL pipeline stake to 45%, formed a new joint venture with Enbridge to expand pipeline capacity. On top of that, demand for natural gas is booming thanks to LNG exports, AI data centers, and the transition from coal to cleaner energy. That's a huge tailwind for MPLX's long-term growth. Of course, no investment is risk-free. Here are a few things to keep in mind. KeyCap 1 MLP tax complexity. MPLX issues a Schedule K-1 tax form, which can be tricky for some investors. KeyCap 2 regulatory risks. Pipeline projects require government approvals that can delay expansion plans. KeyCap 3 energy transition uncertainty. As renewables grow, the long-term demand for natural gas could shift. That said, MPLX's strong financials and high yield make it one of the best pipeline stocks for passive income in 2025. So, let's recap why MPLX is my top high-yielding pipeline stock for 2025. White Heavy checkmark 7.5% dividend yield, way above market average. White Heavy checkmark strong financials, sustainable payouts, and low debt. White Heavy checkmark consistent dividend growth, 12.5% increase last year. White Heavy checkmark expansion projects and acquisitions, future cash flow growth. White Heavy checkmark rising natural gas demand, a major long-term tailwind. If you're looking for passive income with a high-yield stock, MPLX should definitely be on your watch list. But I want to hear from you. Do you own MPLX, or do you prefer another pipeline stock? Drop a comment below, and let's discuss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next big stock pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.